Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Confirm your device OS and the Play Store app version so you know compatibility. Once done, check network quality. Toggle airplane mode for 5-10 seconds to reset connections. Then go into Settings and clear Play Store cache and app data to remove corrupt temporary files. This often restores basic functionality. Do these steps now so deeper troubleshooting focuses on persistent errors rather than transient glitches, and make sure to note any error codes you see. Next, you address account and service issues because Play Store relies on synced credentials and background services. Remove and re-add your Google account to reauthorize syncing, and then restart Google Play services. Update it to the latest version if available, since mismatched components cause failures. Also, check storage. Free up at least 500 MB and keep roughly 10% free so downloads can complete. Once these are done, test downloads again. If apps still fail, you'll move to targeted resets or logs. For stubborn problems, you proceed with advanced resets. Uninstall Play Store updates to revert to factory app, or sideload a verified latest APK if necessary. This corrects corrupted modern clients. If issues persist across accounts and networks, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort because it removes deep system-level corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: capture any error code and check system logs or logcat. These reveal root causes and save time compared to blind resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.